Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are fine at home. You don't worry about your studies. We teachers are there to take care of it. Today I am going to teach grammar way to standard 2 children. This is lesson 2, common and proper naming word. That means common noun and proper noun. As we know, children, naming words can be of different types. Common naming word, proper naming word. Common naming word means common noun. Proper naming word means proper noun. You can see here some examples are given. She likes eating potatoes. I write with a pencil. He has lost his watch. This toy is broken. Here in these 4 sentences, potatoes, pencils, watch, toys are 4 common nouns. That means they are naming word, but they are not particular name. They are just common to all. So they are called common nouns. Now you can see here. Let's read more examples of common naming word. What are some of the examples of common naming words are? Relation of one person to another, that is mother, son, sister, aunt. Place, school, park, garden, museum. Animals, horse, monkey, owl, pigeon, mosquito, fly. Things we use, bag, pencil, erasers, note. Things we play with, football, bat, skipping, rope, toy. Fruits, vegetables and flowers. Examples, apple, orange, cabbage, onion, marigold, rose. Means of transport, bicycle, bus, car, train. Parts of the body, head, nose, neck, chest. These are all examples of common noun. They are naming words which are common to all, not particular to any person, place, anyone or thing. That's why they are called common noun. Now we will move on to these examples. Deepika is my best friend. Next one, my birthday is on Tuesday. My favorite festival is Pongal. I live in Mysore. Deepika, Tuesday, Pongal, Mysore. These are all specific names. They are name of a particular person, day, name of a festival and name of a city or place, you can say. So they comes under proper noun, that is proper naming word. Now here also we will see some of the examples of proper noun. Days of week, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Then months of the year, January, May, July, November. Then festivals, Onam, Eid, Gurupar, Christmas. Then countries and cities, India, Nepal, Mumbai, Chennai. Then books, Jungle Book, The Little Prince. Short stories, Jack and Beanstalk, The Frog Prince. Then comes monuments, the Gateway of India, the Red Fort, the Eiffel Tower, the Great Wall of China. Physical features, you can say some physical as if mountains or sea, ocean, like that. Mount Everest, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Himalayas. These are all comes under proper noun because they are specific name given to person, place, animal, thing, countries or any monuments. Okay children, now we'll do the exercise portion of this lesson. You can see exercise A, that is underline the common naming word and circle the proper naming word in the sentence. That means underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. First one, you can see question number 1. Our exams begins on Monday. In this sentence, exams common noun and Monday proper noun. Question number 2. Gauri bought a new pair of shoes. Gauri proper noun, shoes common noun. Question number 3. Paul won the race. Paul proper noun, race common noun. Now we'll move on to next page, page number 6. That is question number 4. The coach scolded the boys. Coach common noun, boys also common noun in this sentence. Question number 5. Arun has lost his umbrella. Arun proper noun, umbrella common noun. Question number 6. Daddy will buy me a computer in July. Daddy common noun, computer common noun, July month of a name of a month, that's why July is a proper noun. Now we'll move on to question number B, that is write a common naming word for each proper naming word. Means examples of common noun are given here, you can see in the left side column. Here, this left column, you have to write the common noun of these proper nouns. First one, proper naming word Mumbai. Mumbai is name of a city. So Mumbai is proper noun, city is common noun. Next question number 2, Ganga, name of a river. So river here common noun and Ganga is proper noun. April, common noun month. Month is common noun. April is name of a month, that's why it is proper noun. Question number 4. Italy, name of a country. It is Italy is proper noun. Country is common noun. Question number 5. Christmas. Here festival. Christmas is name of a festival, that's why it is proper noun. A festival itself is a common noun. Now question number 6, Taj Mahal. It is a monument. Monument is the common noun and Taj Mahal is name of the monument, that's why it is proper noun. The question number B is over. Now we'll move on to question number C. Fill in the blanks using the clue in the bracket. Some clues are given in the bracket. You have to find out the correct answer by seeing the clues. Question number 1. The dash is near Jaipur. Name of a monument. Name a monument which is near Jaipur. Amer Fort is the right answer. That is proper noun. Dash is my best friend. Name of a person. You can name any person who is your best friend. I have written here Ankit. It is also a proper noun. Dash is the capital of India. Name of a place. Any place you can write, but here you have to write the capital, which is the capital of India, that is New Delhi. Dash is also called the festival of lights, name of the festival, which is called which festival is called festival of lights. It is only Diwali is known as festival of light. The Diwali is a proper noun, we can write here. Next, question number 5. Dash comes after Thursday. Name of the day of the week which comes after Thursday, that is Friday, which comes after Thursday. Now last question, question number 6. Last month of a year is dash, name of the month, which is the month which comes at the end of the year, that is December. You can see here DECEMBER, December. So we have done the exercise of lesson 2 as well. Children, you can read. I have written everything in detail. Please read it, get thorough and clear your doubt in the next class.